Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. In this video, I will solve Olympiad Maths Challenge in a very easy and simple way. That is x square minus y square is equal to 16, xy is equal to 15. So what will be the x plus y? We will solve this step by step by using the algebraic identities. First of all, we know that x square minus y square is equal to the x minus y into x plus y. And another important formula, we know that x plus y whole square is equal to the x square plus y square plus 2xy, and x minus y whole square is equal to the x square plus y square minus 2xy. We will use these algebraic identities in this question. So let's suppose x square minus y square, which is equal to 16. This implies that x minus y into x plus y is equal to the 16. Now let's suppose s is equal to x plus y and p is equal to xy, which is equal to 15. Now we will use this as x plus y is replaced by s. So we will write this as s dot x plus y s is represent the x plus y, so s into x minus y is equal to 16. This will implies that value of x minus y is 16 by s. Now apply the another identity, that is x plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square is equal to the 4xy. So 4xy is replaced by the xy is equal to 15. So we will put the value of this. So x plus y is equal to the s. So this is s square minus x minus y, that is 16 by s, is equal to the 4 into xy, that is 15. 4 multiply 15. So this is equal to 60. So we get s square minus 16 square means 256 by s square is equal to 60. Now this will become a quadratic equation like s4 minus 60s minus 256 is equal to 0. Now we will apply the quadratic formula in this equation to get answer. So s square is equal to the, according to quadratic formula, 60 plus minus b square means 60 square, that is 3600 plus 256 multiplied by 4, so 1024, and divided by this 2. After solving this, we will get 60 plus minus 4624 by adding both of them, and this is divided by 2. So this will be equal to the 60 plus minus 68 by 2, and we will get s square is equal to the 64, which implies that s square, by taking square root on both sides, s is equal to plus minus 8. So this is the value of s, and we have supposed that x plus y is equal to s, which implies that x plus y is equal to plus minus 8. So this will be the solution of this question. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for more upcoming questions. Stay tuned. Best of luck for your exams.